Are you looking for the top 5 best drones under $300? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the top 5 best drones under $300 on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. DJI Mini 4K. The DJI Mini 4K might be your ideal pick. Priced just under $300, this compact and powerful drone delivers features that rival more expensive models, making it one of the best drones under $300 for beginners, hobbyists, and content creators. With a 4K camera, GPS, long battery life, and excellent range, it's hard to find a better value in this price range. Here's a detailed breakdown of why the DJI Mini 4K is making waves in the drone world. 4K camera performance. The biggest highlight of the DJI Mini 4K is its 4K Ultra HD video capability at 30 frames per second. The built-in 3-axis gimbal ensures smooth and stable footage, even in breezy conditions. The DJI Mini 4K offers up to 31 minutes of flight time, which is far superior to most drones in this category that often cap at 15 to 20 minutes. This extended airtime means you can get more done on a single charge, whether it's filming landscapes or just enjoying a scenic flight. Number 2. DJI Mini 2 SE. Compact, reliable, and packed with smart features, the DJI Mini 2 SE is another top contender for the best drone under $300. Its 2.7K camera and long-range transmission offer crystal clear footage, while GPS and auto return to home add extra safety. Let's break down why the DJI Mini 2 SE ranks among the best drones under $300 in 2025 and what makes it a standout choice in its price category. Excellent camera for price. 2.7K video with gimbal stabilization provides fantastic footage for casual and semi-professional use. Long battery life. Up to 31 minutes of flight per charge, ideal for extended shoots or adventures. Lightweight and portable. At just 246G, it's under the 250G limit, so no FAA registration is required in many regions. GPS and return to home RTH. Great for beginners who need flight stability and safety features. Reliable build and app integration. DJI Fly app is intuitive and provides a beginner-friendly interface with powerful tools. Number 3. Potensic Atom SE. If you're after a lightweight drone with great specs, the Potensic Atom SE delivers. With a 4K EIS camera, intelligent flight modes, and up to 31 minutes of air time, this is one of the best drones under $300 for content creators on a budget. We'll explore everything you need to know about the Potensic Atom SE and why it's considered one of the best drones under $300 with GPS and camera. True 4K video. Capture sharp, high-resolution video for YouTube, social media, or personal projects. Long battery life. Fly up to 31 minutes per charge, on par with premium models. Compact and lightweight. At just 245G, it avoids FAA registration and fits easily in a backpack. Solid GPS performance. Dual satellite support and RTH provide stability and flight safety. Best drone under $300 with camera and GPS. An excellent combination of core features under budget. Number 4. Ruko U11 Pro. A favorite among beginners, the Ruko U11 Pro offers GPS auto return, a 4K UHD camera, and intuitive flight controls. If you're seeking the best drone under $300 with GPS and easy navigation, this is a reliable pick. In this review, we'll explore what makes the Ruko U11 Pro one of the best drones under $300 with GPS and camera. Let's dive in. True 4K UHD video. With both a gimbal and EIS, your footage will be smooth and cinematic. 2 batteries included. Over 50 minutes of flight time, very rare at this price. GPS with smart modes. Features like return home, follow me, and waypoints make flying fun and safe. Beginner friendly, easy setup, adjustable speeds, and stable hovering. Best drone under $300 with camera and GPS. One of the most complete feature sets under $300. Number 5. Ruko F11PRO. The Ruko F11PRO stands out for its powerful brushless motors and stable 4K video capabilities. With a robust design and 30-minute battery life, It's a strong competitor in the best drone under $300 with camera category. In this post, we'll explore everything that makes the Ruko F11PRO one of the best drones under $300, including its camera, battery life, flight performance, and smart features. 4K UHD camera with wide-angle lens. Capture stunning visuals. Ideal for social media and personal content. Long flight time. Up to 60 minutes with 2 batteries. Far above average of price. Strong GPS and intelligent modes. Stable flight, auto return, and smart features for creative control. Beginner-friendly and durable. Brushless motors and sturdy build make it suitable for new pilots. Best drone under $300 with GPS and camera. Hard to beat the feature set at this price.